Hi guys, today we're going to make these gorgeous shrimp and grits, and I can't wait to tell you how it's done. You're going to need shrimp, bacon, butter, cheddar cheese, lemon, grits, Worcestershire sauce, green onion, fresh parsley, red pepper flakes, salt, black pepper, and minced garlic. Some of the things might not be shown here, but all of the measurements will be in the description box below. So let's get started. First off, let's clean our shrimp. You want them peeled and deveined. I take the shells off. You just peel the shells off, cut up the back, devein them. You don't want to serve people with shrimp with gook in them. And I leave the tails on for presentation. So we're going to season them up with the lemon juice, the Worcestershire sauce, the black pepper, red pepper flake, the parsley, and the green onion. Get those tossed so they can marinate while you're cooking the rest of your food. So next we're going to cut up our bacon. You can chop them up really fine, little cubes, as small as you can get them. It's going to add a lot of bite and salt into our grits, so you want to get them nice and crispy. I use full fat bacon, so I didn't put any oil in the pan, but you can add like a teaspoon of oil if you need to. This is what you're looking for, guys. Look how crispy this bacon is. It's going to make the world of difference in those grits. In that same pan, if your pan is a little dry, add another teaspoon of olive oil. You want to get your shrimp in there. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. I like to do about 3 minutes on one side and maybe 2 minutes on the other side. We are going to keep these in the oven on warm, so you don't want to overcook them. Nobody likes rubbery shrimp. People are scared to cook shrimp, but don't be scared. Just do about 3 minutes on one side, 2 minutes on the other side. On the side here, you see I have a piece of foil that I keep because as they're cooking, you have to take them out. I have to do it in 2 batches. So you want to take them out and store them in a little piece of foil. See how they're curling up here, guys? I pulled me a piece of foil out. It's sitting right next to the skillet. You'll see it in a minute. Here it is. It's coming. And then you just make a little boat-like and you put the shrimp in there while you cook the other shrimp. And you can keep them in your oven on 175 or warm, whatever your oven is. Mine's 200 safely. I know that it's good and warm on that. And you want to keep those in there while you cook your other ones so they won't overcook. So after you get all your shrimp cooked up and put in the oven, keep it on warm. Nobody wants cold shrimp. You want to get a pot of your boiling chicken stock going. Once it's boiling, I like to add the salt, black peppers, crushed black pepper, red pepper flake, and just season that stock because this is where your grits are going. And once you get that good boil, it is time to add your grits. You want to pour your grits in, and this process goes really fast, guys. So you want to just get them nice and incorporated, and you'll see that those grits will soak up that liquid. And that's what you want. You want it to get in, incorporate. They get nice puffy grits, and you want them to incorporate all that flavor from the chicken stock, and the seasoning do that. At this point, shut off your heat. You want to add your butter in there, and then you want to get that richness stirred in because this is what gives you that body and that fullness and that richness of a shrimp and grit. Very important. The heat is still off, guys. I'm just using the residual heat. You don't want to dry your grits out. So now it's time to add your cheese. So same thing, no heat, add the cheese, and you just keep on stirring until everything melts. It's going to look beautiful. It's going to smell amazing in your house now. And you just keep on going until you get this liquid gold in a pot. And as you're mixing that, you'll see everything will start to melt and incorporate. After your cheese is melted, you want to add your bacon now. I've been on a whisk all this time, but I'm going to add the bacon, and I'm going to use a spatula to fold it in. So you just want to, everything's melted. That's what I'm showing you. And you want to fold that bacon in. That's going to give you that bite, that crunch, and that saltiness. And these are amazing, guys. We are done. All we need is a bowl to plate this up. So for me, I like to put it in a bowl, pull the shrimp out from the oven, and pile them on. And look at that. You look like a rock star in the kitchen, and this is a quick and easy shrimp and grits. I'm sure I'll do other versions, but this is like the easiest version without all the cream. Guys, thanks for tuning in today, and let's get to cooking. Bye.